Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rich here. Thank you for watching my video. Welcome back. Right. So today we are looking at the gold market. Right. Previously, previously we're at the. Let me scroll this down so you can see it clearly. Yeah. Yep. So previously it's at the 3,218 to $3,213 per ounce. Right, you can see here that's on 15th April. All right, so 15th April. All right, let's see. Previously 14th April, we have a higher high here and another higher high. All right, so by looking at this, right, the prices have passed this level 3,231. All right, and went down. Right. All right, what can you see? What I can see is the gold market is going to have a big dip. Right, it's going down a big dip. Right, that is for sure. Right. You can see here it's making lower low at, you see, 3,000. That's lower low 3,900, 3,193. And it's the second one, 3,200. All right. Well, what is going uptrend, but you never pass, you never break, right? It's not able to break this 3,200. The next, see, it's not breaking this 2,000, 3,238. So you have a market which is right, can't break this price, right? The volume is much lower. He has lost the momentum here. All right, so we are looking at, I think, by looking at it, probably it will go down to the next level is, there you go, that's the next level. All right, that's the next level, 3190. So that's the big dip. 3186. Right, 3186. I think it will go deeper than that, you know. We're probably looking at 3,168. It's going to be a big day, right? Look at this. It has broken this level, right? That's a support level. So it's, yeah, this is going to be a big dip. All right. So what we're going to do next, right? Probably we're going to trade uh, 3,233 to 3,207. So this is the general level, right? There's not much momentum here. It's going downtrend. That's a downtrend momentum. Look at that. That's a downtrend momentum. You can look at it. Look at that. Look at that. Right. It's a downtrend momentum. Look at that. Right. So it's a downtrend momentum. It's going a big dip. Alright. So we're targeting at. Uh, that's the previous lowest low. Right. 3179. So we're looking a big dip until that level. If it breaks here, means it's going down, right? If it breaks this level, it's going downwards. But now it's here, testing the resistance level, right? Haven't got a chance to break it. Let's see the next one. Right? So that's about all for this video, right? I hope you guys enjoy this video, right? If you find this video beneficial and it's important, interesting, right, do give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, like this video, give it a comments down below, right? If you're not subscribed to my channel, there's a subscribe button down there. Smash that notification bell for me, right? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ciao.